sa gobyerno, yung nakakalusot sila sometimes accountability and transparency. However, in the end, the law will catch them because may records talaga na lalabas yan. Either sa COA, sa releases, sa SARO, pagdating dito sa bidding, ang daming agencies matitrace at makikita talaga yan. Hindi pwedeng makalusot. Sino bang nagbago talaga ng composition ng... Ibig sabihin, binago niyo yung BESF. Nandito sa page 298 yung BESF At saka yung President message is clear. Please do not change. Please do not change just to justify na mataas pa rin ang education sector. I cannot agree with that, Madam. And the increases and the decreases. Total DPWH is 1.147 billion, including the releases in the program as of August 31. Dapat careful kayo nito kasi may ongoing case na ito sa Supreme Court. Nag-release pa rin kayo na nag-release.